This latest test is on the DAX40 from the 1st of January through to the current time period. As you can see, the trades went very well. We started with a balance of $50,000. We're now at $89,000. P&L of $9,500. So you add those two together, we're nearly $100,000 over that period. So that is 9 months and a doubling of the account. Some of the trades on the pullbacks, you can see, were very healthy. Some of these P&Ls at 8,500, 7,700, these are just one trade. Anyway, having a look at the chart, you can see that there was a combination of pullbacks and climber, entering and making profit all the way through January. Whenever there was a bit of a pullback, the pullbacks would re-enter and exit in profit again. At the same time, we've got initial entries and climber all making money through that period. There was a bit of a pullback in middle of February. Pullbacks sprang into action, made some good money. They all exited in profit. When we got into middle of March, roughly, we started to enter a very bad period where the tariff announcements started to kick in. Now, these trades up here got stuck. There's two that got stuck. These are climber trades. If I had turned on Trade Guard, they wouldn't have got stuck. But you would have had more losing trades throughout, losing a little bit of money. I turned off Trade Guard for this test. As a result, those trades exited in a loss, hitting the stop losses at about 1,600 points down. That's okay. That's what the stop losses are there for. So that took about $3,000 off the profit, but that's fine. As we enter this really bad period, you can see the entries, the pullbacks entering, and down to level 20, so PBL 20. And then we start to recover very fast. As per what I've always said, whatever goes down must come back up. It's always the way. So up we go. And some of them made some really, really decent money through here. When we started to get up into the recovery area, the high Sneathus area, where we've actually recovered from previous highs, the climber kicks in again and starts to make some decent money through here in May, June, and there is some pullbacks during that period. So some of the lower pullbacks, PBL positions 1 through 5, kick in, all making money. You can see some more pullbacks kicking in, all making money. At this point here, in 4th of July roughly, we got some really, really healthy profits where some of the major deep pullbacks enter in profit, exit in profit. And then the market starts to dip, so these trades are held in a floating P&L position until such stage as the market will recover again, and it will recover again. So all up, this is a really healthy test. It's basically a doubling of the account balance over a period of 9 months. So that concludes my analysis of this test. I'll move on to the next test.